Well, here at Advantage Woodwork, we're really proud to announce Anna Riley, our intern for the summer from Pittsburg State University, and we're going to do a little short introduction video to introduce her to the Colby area. So tell us a little bit about yourself, where you're from, and what your interests are.
My main interest is woodworking, obviously. I love the aspect of it where I can use my hands and make a project and be able to see it become a thing in front of me.
Why Advantage Architectural Woodwork? Why did you choose that?
Well, I think that after interviewing at Pitt State with seeing all of the different companies, I realized that Advantage can offer a lot of learning opportunities and a lot of good working experience in a very unique aspect of the woodworking industry.
Cool. So what do you think of our crew here so far?
I think that Advantage has a nice group of people. They're a lot of fun to be around, a lot of fun to work with.
Awesome. We like to think of ourselves as like a small family. So
I see that. It's nice.